So today I have made brightness counting machine. So what is a brightness counting machine? So this is the brightness counting machine, and in this I have used one LDR, one 7 segment and one Arduino. So what will happen is, if there is less light in your room, then it will give you low values such as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. And if there is plenty of light in your room, then it will show you 8, 7, 6, 5 and 9 is the highest. So if it is giving you the output of 9, that means that there is a plenty of light in your room. So let's see how it is working. Here, as you can see, I have connected to the power, and here it is showing me 9. So as I keep shadow, it's showing me 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and all the lights in my room are on, so it is showing me 9. So now as I will turn off the light, it will show me 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. So as you can see, now I have turned off all the lights, it is showing me 2. Now as I will turn on the flash of my flashlight, now it is showing us 9. As I turn off the flash, it is showing me 2, 1, flash, 9. So like this it is working. The link of codes is given in the description box, so you can refer the codes from there. If you have any doubt regarding this video, then please DM me on my Instagram handle. Link is given in the description box. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.